Good day, everyone. My name is Olani Alaka. I'm a sickle cell warrior and a sexual purity advocate. Um, Today, June 19, is World Sickle Cell Day, and my advice to everyone, to every warriors out there, is that sickle cell is not a death sentence. Yes, you can be a sickle cell and you can also fulfill mission. You can fulfill God's mandate. You can be sickle brave. You can be sickle act, sickle dance, sickle do several things that other genotypes can do. And I'm here to just announced and advise you that there is something inside of you that the world is waiting for its manifestation. I am Alaka Olani with sickle cell for many years, and yet I'm still bouncing. You can see my tummy, you can see my shirt, you can see my clothes, you can see my shoes. Everything are really looking so nice. So I want to advise you just one word to everyone out there, that before you go into relationship, before you fall in love, know your genotype. Know your genotype. Know your genotype. This is the first thing you need to do before you jump into love, because sickle cell is not a death sentence, but you can also groom another dead person by not knowing your genotype. Before you breed another child as a sickle cell, or even as a person, know your genotype. What did I say? Know your genotype. Don't give birth to another SS. We are going to be nurturing and breeding again. Know your genotype. AA, go for AA. SS, go for SS, go for AA. There should not be AS and AS, all in the name of love. Make sure the person you are picking as a sickle cell is AA, and your blood group also matches. Sickle cell, you can be a sickle cell and also fulfill mission. You can also be a sickle cell and live above crisis. Yes, you can live above pains and agony of life. I am a sickle cell patient, and God has used me to convert and touch many lives, transform many souls. I have a mathematical expression I give to people, and that is purpose. Purpose. Discovering purpose will give you joy. And this is the mathematical expression: passion plus vision divided by desperation into bracket motion raised to power action equals to manifestation. Wow, there is something inside of us, SS, sickle cells, that the world is waiting for its manifestation. Apart from the emotional, physical, and the medical crisis, there is also a part called low self-esteem that sickle cell warriors battle with. Low self-esteem has so much reduced the potency and the efficiencies in the life of many warriors, whereby they feel intimidated, they feel not up to standard in the midst of people, they feel not wanted. Even I personally, where I worked, I had that experience whereby people look at me and they segregate and put some things aside for me not to do. So I live above this by fulfilling purpose. I discovered that there is something I am created to solve. I discovered there is something large inside of me that needs an expression. So I gave it time. So low self-esteem and stigmatization stepped out of the journey of my life because I was able to discover, to recover. So therefore, I am saying this to all warriors out there. I'm saying this to potential warriors out there, that today, June 19, as a World Sickle Cell Day, know in your heart that there is something greater, bigger, stronger, larger that the world waits its manifestation. So don't let anyone put you down by the words of their mouth, because your words determines your worth.